Hello students, welcome to the class of revision for the subject English. Students, what do you think about online studies? Are you enjoying the classes? Good. Soon the schools are being opened. You'll get the chance once a week to come to the school. You'll get the chance to meet your friends and your teachers as well. For that, be updated. Have a view over news. One more point you should remember that your exams are over your head. So hit all the books and ace the test. जितना ज़्यादा आप स्टडी करेंगे आप उतना ही बेटर स्कोर कर पाएंगे अपने एग्जाम्स में. So watch this video very carefully, understand whatever is going to be taught to you. Today we will revise the topic adverb. We will see the definition of adverb, know its kinds, and you will also get the exercise based on it. Let's start. Adverbs. Words that tell us more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb are called adverbs. ऐसे words जो किसी भी adjective, verb या another adverb को define करते हैं या फिर उसके बारे में हमें और information देते हैं, उन्हें हम adverbs कहते हैं. They tell us when, where और how the action takes place. Adverbs हमें ये बताते हैं कि action कब, कहाँ और कैसे हुआ था. You know what? Adjective and adverb both have the same verb. Both are used to describe something. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun, while an adverb describes verb, adjective or another adverb. Let's see some examples of adverb. He ate the chocolate cake greedily. He cleans his cell phone once a week. He cleans his cell phone once a week. In the first sentence, he ate is the verb. But can you tell me how did he eat the cake? He ate it greedily. Greedily is describing the manner of eating. So here greedily is adverb. In the second sentence, he cleans his cell phone once a week. Can you guess the verb here? The verb here is cleans. Can you guess the verb here? The verb here is cleans. And what does it clean it? And when does he clean it? He cleans it once a week. Cleans is the verb and once a week is adverb. Kinds of adverbs. There are 6 kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, adverb of number and interrogative adverb. The first one is adverb of manner. The word which shows how the action is done is called adverb of manner. जो वर्ड हमें ये बताते हैं कि एक्शन कैसे हुआ था उन्हें हम कहते हैं adverb of manner. The boy showed his action finally. Kapil fought bravely. Boy showed his action. Showing the action is verb. And how did he do the action? He did it finally. Finally is showing the manner in which the action was done. So finally is adverb of manner. Kapil fought bravely. Kapil fought. Fought is the verb. Means the action word. Here means the action word. And bravely is telling the manner how the action was done. So it is adverb of manner. The second one is adverb of time. The word which shows the time of an action is called adverb of time. Words जो ये शो करते हैं कि एक्शन किस टाइम में हुआ था, कब हुआ था, उन्हें हम कहते हैं adverb of time. We shall now eat our food. Ankur goes to the school daily. In the first sentence, eating is verb and now shows the time. In the second one, goes is verb and daily is showing the time. So now and daily are adverb of time. The third one is adverb of place. The word which shows the place of an action is called adverb of place. ऐसे वर्ड जो ये बताते हैं कि एक्शन कहाँ हुआ था उन्हें हम कहते हैं adverb of place. I shall go there. The boy went outside. In the first sentence, go is the verb and the action done as the place is there. In the second sentence, outside is the place where boy went, mean where the action is done. Next is adverb of degree. The word which shows the degree of intensity of an adjective or an adverb is called adverb of degree. जो एडवर्ब्स किसी एडजेक्टिव की डिग्री की इंटेंसिटी बताते हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री। सोनी इज वेरी स्वीट। Very is the intensity of the adjective sweet. So, here very is adverb of degree. Next one is adverb of number. The word which shows how often or in what order the action is done is called adverb of number. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो ये बताते हैं एक्शन कितनी बार या किस ऑर्डर में हुआ उन्हें हम कहते हैं adverb of number. Yash often goes to the pool side in evening. Often is the number or the order showing the action done. So here it is adverb of number. The last one is interrogative adverb. The word which asks a question standing at the beginning of sentence is called interrogative adverb. ऐसे adverbs जो किसी sentence के beginning में आकर question पूछने का काम करते हैं उन्हें हम interrogative adverbs कहते हैं। Why is Sushant worried? Here the word why is used to ask the question for the verb worried. So here it is interrogative adverb. Now let's see the formation of adverbs. Rule number 1. इन रूल्स में हम ये जानेंगे किसी एडजेक्टिव्स को हम एडवर्ब में कैसे बदलते हैं। In some adjectives we just add ly to change it to adverb. कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स में हम केवल ly ऐड करके उन्हें एडवर्ब में चेंज कर सकते हैं, such as kind, kindly, calm, calmly. In both the words, we just added ly and changed it to the adverb. Next rule, in some adjectives that end with y, we remove y and add illy. ऐसे adjectives जो y पे end होते हैं, उसमें हम y को remove करते हैं और illy add करते हैं, जैसे hasty, hastily, clumsy, clumsily. In both the words हमने y को remove किया और illy add किया. The third one is, in some adjectives that end with le, we remove e and add y. ऐसे adjective जो le पे end होते हैं, उसे change करने के लिए हम e को remove करते हैं और y add करते हैं, जैसे noticeable, noticeably, acceptable, acceptably. इन दोनों words में हमने e को remove किया और y add किया. So students, these were the rules how to change the adjectives to the adverb. We also knew the definition of adverb and its kind. Now we will check the homework. And the questions are: number 1. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. इन दिए गए sentences में आपको adverb को underline करना होगा. And the second question is: change the adjectives into adverb. कुछ words दिए गए हैं, they all are adjectives. आपको उन्हें adverb में change करना होगा. After completing our rules, providing the homework and understanding everything, it's time to end the video and say you goodbye. Thank you.